Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to the beginning of an amazing series, hopefully. So as you can see, I am in a structure right now, and I think the iron axe is the only thing of use to me. So I decided to get out of the structure safely. It wasn't safe for long though. I need to cut that out. After venturing through the forest, I found another watchtower, so I decided to go and check if it had some good loot. It did have some food, so I decided to take it, cause you never know when I could need it terribly. And I can't say no to some yummy bread. I also took the planks and sticks for crafting later. After completely regaining my health, I saw a weird-looking structure from the watchtower and I decided to go check it out. I then tried an MLG and beautifully executed it, never in doubt, never. Then I started to dig my way into the structure. It was very painful due to the fences. And when I finally looked up, I found myself looking at a villager who seemed like he had spent his life in the coal mines. I went over to the coal digger and tapped him on the shoulder. The coal digger started blabbering, telling me that I should not be here, but I ignored him and continued to tap him, looking for answers to how he had gotten such an attractive face. He told me to kill him if he turned into a full blackie, and I was ready to that gladly so that I could become the most handsome person on this server once I had killed the one who watches, obviously. No one beats him in hotness. He started talking about a guy like me who had come on this server, and I could probably assume what came next. The way he talked about him, it would seem as if he had to deliver a speech on Clown Pierce's description. Oh wait. Could that have been Clown Pierce? Maybe, who knows? He told me this building used to be the meeting place of the council he had been talking about. I didn't feel safe here anymore. That changed things. I wasn't expecting that. So apparently that Clown Pierce-like guy had lured a monster who was probably the one who had rubbed him with coal. Things were getting spooky. And then the monster struck. It reached out one of its tentacles and stabbed the villager in its body, and it couldn't seem to bear the pain. I knew I had to escape, but I wanted more information, so I stayed. That turned out to be a big mistake. Suddenly, one part of the building was torn apart and I got weakness and another terrible effect. The Infector said, "It's time," and just like that he came and killed me. I was defenseless and was rooted to the spot. I could not believe what had happened. So guys, this will be all for the first episode. I am going to be uploading episode every 2 to 3 days, so stay tuned. Also, I hope you liked the narration. Bye. Here is a spoiler for the next video, by the way. Siren Head.